In our series also, our other, he took a small baby, a small pet. Okay, so he bought a tippy, just a matter of 50 cents. But do you know how much attachment in that family is ultimate? Just do you know one fine day, because of some storm effect, that dog died. The other is going to tell my childhood, the greatest tragedies in my life is that small dog dying only. The other is going to tell. So start giving importance. Start giving care. Start giving love. Automatically, the opposite person start giving them. Okay. Before expecting, you require to give unconditional love, unconditional importance, unconditional care. Then the things are going to work like anything. Remember, a bit carefully. Okay, the dogs never going to read psychology books. The dogs never joined DURGA Sir life skills classes. They have one wonderfully habit: show importance, show care. Okay, that's a beautiful things what you can learn from the dog. If you show that, don't feel that it's a weakness kind of thing, man. It is the such type of thing must be there. Then everywhere the people are going to like such like anything. Okay, you are not required to show interest. You are not required to show everywhere. Okay, wherever the things are required, at least for your family members, you have to show your love, you have to show your interest, you have to show your care. Getting right? Unconditional love. If you start giving, they start giving the things. Okay, the only thing is importance. If you start giving the importance, wherever you go, you will get a grand welcome, man. Okay, love people without expecting anything. From the dog, all these things you can learn. Love people without expecting anything. Welcome people warmly. Okay. Next, genuine affection builds a relationship. Genuine affection builds friendships, relationships.